In this section, I'll show you how to handle browser window and switch between the windows. So let me. Here is the code what I have run. So now the same thing. I have taken a URL automation. One page is there, and I have taken an XPath of that button. I'll show you the demo, the site what it is. First, let me run the code. This is So normally this window will open, and here in this we have a click button that will be automatically clicked, and one more window will open. So after opening this window, this frames and window is again closed. This is the one. Now clicking on opening a new window and coming back to the next window. So managing the browsers. This is what this stuff is. Here I'll give the description. Here I have given a print command for the handle. So here we can get the frames and title of the page. So now here two browsers print I have given. So here it is printing both the titles. Now what I am doing is I have taken titles of both one variable I have done. In that window dot handle option I have given. So here what this variable whatever it contains is a driver dot windows handle. This is how it will for handling in this particular is function, and this is the variable what I have given. Now driver dot switch to window, this handle what it contained two browsers, that is a variable, and it contains these functions. So after that it will print it driver title. After that it will be stored in the handle, and if driver title is frames and windows of that particular frame. So I have given 5 minutes time because it is executing very fast. So after 5 minutes the first window will get closed, which is title is frame and windows. This is how now in this section we have opened multiple windows, loading the first window. After that again that particular window, when clicking on that, this page also will be opened, one more window. Again after coming to this window, again first window will get closed. So from that particular thing we can go to the other page and start working onto that. This is all about handle the browser window and switch between the windows. Thank you, sir.